Back in high school, like being a developer sounded like the best job you could have.
If the money is the only reason, you won't make it as a developer.
Creating something out of nothing.
Then these tears of sorrow turn into tears of joy.
Meetings that could have been emails.
It has more pros than cons.
Or I can go with my dad and be a plumber.
Why did you become a developer? What made you pursue this career? Was it money or the love for the craft?
So it was not the money driven. I think I organically just like to learn new things.
It's the money first and then the love for the craft came after.
Well, I'm working with computers since I'm 5 years old. That's almost 35 years now, and it was destined for me.
Well, honestly, money is a significant reason to become a developer. But if the money is the only reason, you won't make it as a developer. You have to have that geekness.
I started programming 40 years ago.
Oh my God.
But money is also okay.
Ever since I was a kid, I was really big into video games, so working on them is actually a passion and the money, I guess.
Well, actually, it was just a coincidence. Most of the guys from my high school, from my class, went to the same college, and I just followed suit, so this was, you know.
Yeah, I was poor. I needed money because I had none.
I started because I wanted to find out how they make video games, and I still don't know because I switched to a different career path.
We used to play a lot of Counter-Strike, and to play that with your friends, you need to set up your own server, so we were doing that. Later on, we would also modify the game, so we were doing actually programming, and we were not aware that we were doing programming.
Yeah, I think it was the craft. And actually playing around with it and building something. It's like, even as a kid, you know, I played with Lego and stuff, and this is, for me, it's like Lego for a little bit older kids.
It was love for the craft, for sure. Well, actually,
I got into development somewhere in my mid-20s. I wasn't into computers up to that point, but this problem-solving aspect of development really intrigued me.
I would say more to the money side. Back in high school, like being a developer sounded like the best job you could have. Great salary, remote work, flexible working hours, everything combined.
I am creative, but I'm very analytic. So it kind of naturally led me to computational science. So.
What's the best part of your job?
It's all about customer satisfaction. So if I can cry 1,000 tears for one customer smile, then these tears of sorrow turn into tears of joy.
It's a focus on quality before pace.
When you see the other people are playing games, especially your games, yeah, priceless.
We're always working in a team, but also free lunch is great.
Well, the best part is that I'm sitting and making money. That's the best part.
So for me, it's this cycle of troubleshooting, figuring things out. It's like a puzzle. If you're lazy, you work remote. If you want to come to office, you come to the office. It is quite fun. And if you don't want to talk to people, you don't talk to people. So
The people and working with them, there are some amazing individuals you get to meet.
To me personally, is being able to solve practical problems and apply creative solutions to solve these problems.
Creating something out of nothing, because development is built on the foundation of logic and mathematics, and it's just really inspiring to create something based on these really abstract concepts.
I would say delivering a feature that actually solves real issues, real problems for our users, and in the end the users are actually using the feature.
Never boring, so if you want something that is changing constantly, then this is IT.
Ability to stay curious.
Probably the best part of my job is when finally everything talks to everything.
What's the worst part of your job?
Meetings.
Meetings.
Useless meetings.
Meetings that could have been emails.
Meetings, paperwork, reports.
Customers.
People.
The people and communication.
Probably going through logs and undocumented code.
The speed of the change. You really need to learn, so that means that you will need to sacrifice something. It is not a job that you can just leave on the doorstep.
It can be really stressful because sometimes you work with tight deadlines and the expectations are big. I also really don't like sitting at the computer all day.
That I mostly have to sit for 8 hours.
When there is no sweets anymore in the office.
After all the experience, would you still chase this career?
Okay, a big one.
No doubt about it.
Absolutely.
Maybe I would be a doctor, but I don't know.
Yes, I would. As all football players, we all lose our knees, so yeah, IT is a safer place.
Maybe, but I would go about it a different way. I would study harder in college. I think that people underestimate the importance of theoretical knowledge.
I would still chase it. It's exciting. I see myself growing in this career.
100%. It has more pros than cons.
It is a little bit unstable because it changes all the time and you need to kind of keep up with the times. And if it all blows over, I can go with my dad and be a plumber.
One of my favorite authors, Arthur C. Clarke, actually said that advanced technology is the same as magic. So in a sense, to me, engineers are real-world wizards. And if you can be a wizard for your career, I mean, you should.
I most definitely would chase this career. It gives you awesome opportunities. It really drives you out of your comfort zone and challenges you to grow.
Yes, but I would like to have like additional life.
I think I would try it again, definitely. I miss doing something physical. I would say something with my hands, which is not typing all day and staring at the screen. I think I would. Yeah, short answer, sorry.